think I have. Audition time for okay.
Item number 1.
Yes.
My lord, this matter was already heard on the last occasion. If this matter can be fixed, my lord, at the motion stage.
What is the matter about?
My lord, this is where the petitioner was working at Nigrims. And then, my lord, in the meantime, what has happened is one notifications came from the Nigrims stating that all the people who are working as a technical assistant, they will be appointed on contracts on outsourcing method. And therefore, that was challenged. That notification was challenged by WPC 253 of 2019. And then in that case, the court has permitted the petitioner to file a comprehensive representation because petitioner also prayed for regularization of his service. In the meantime, my lord, what has happened? He was terminated from service. And thereafter, my lord, it was challenged before the Honorable Single Judge. And during that time, my lord, when the matter was pending, where I have challenged the termination, the Nigrims authority, they have given a statement before the court that the post which was held by the petitioner already lapsed because of notification. But however, when we found out that, my lord, the post is still lying vacant. And because of the statement, my lord, that writ petition was disposed of.
The post has been abolished, you said.
Yes, my lord. That post is not abolished. Yes. It is still lying vacant and somebody else is working in that post, my lord. That is my case.
Newly appointed?
Yes, newly appointed.
Then they need to be heard. Yes, Dr. Mozika.
What happened, my lord? Regular advertisement was issued, my lord, for filling up all the posts.
Yes.
Because there is a central government scheme, my lord, if any post is not filled up for 2 years, my lord, there is a clause of deemed abolition of the posts. So under that, the entire advertisement was nullified, my lord. Now the Nigrims has written to the government of India to revive these posts, my lord. So this is at that stage, my lord. So once the posts are revived, we will advertise and he can apply, my lord.
Let them file a affidavit in that aspect, my lord.
Because the thing is that as the matter is disposed of by the single judge.
Only on the averment.
That is yes, deemed abolished. You didn't file affidavit in the.
No, my lord.
We didn't file affidavit in the before the writ court.
They filed affidavit, but they did not say regarding whether that. Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. N. Sinkon, general counsel for the petitioner. So it's also admit the instrumented appeal for consideration. It has been submitted by the counsel for the appellant that the disposal of the petition was on the submission that the post to which accommodation was sought by the writ petitioner had been abolished. However, he submits that on obtaining subsequent information, it appears that the post still exists. So, in these circumstances, the London DHCI is allowed to bring on record the status of the post by affidavit as to whether it has been revived or has been abolished. This list after
vacation, my lord.
After vacation.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Justice Kataki has submitted 18th interim report, my lord, and certain observations have been made in the report, my lord. May I request your lordship to kindly see 18th interim report submitted on we have received on 22/11/2020.
One second, Mr. Advocate General. You filed a state. This is a
yes, I have filed the report. So therefore, I just wish to.
One second.
This report is dated 14/11/2023.
1 second. Yes.
Yes, Lord. Kindly see the report, my Lord. I'll take 10 minutes, my Lord, to have the entire background, my Lord. Your Lordship is aware that the NGT has banned the coal mining in the state of Meghalaya in April 2014, my Lord. Against that order, the state government went before the Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd July 2019 passed the order stating that legal mine is, or upholding that legal mine is permissible, and Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Act is also applicable. All minings have to be carried out under the MMDR Act. So to that extent, my Lord, the one of the issue before the Honorable Supreme Court was that what will happen to the coal which has been mined contrary to MMDR Act.
Okay, no, we are aware of that because
Only one preface, my Lord, so that because the introduction is there. So then the Justice Kataki was appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court for examining disposal of the coal. Because the issue was, my Lord, the coals which have been extracted, they have been extracted contrary to MMDR Act. Honorable Supreme Court found solution saying that these coal will be auctioned by Coal India, and money will be given back to the miners who have illegally mined the coal. Otherwise, under Section 21, my Lord, of MMDR Act, entire coal has to be seized if the coal is illegally mined, my Lord. In that context, the modalities were to be worked out. And now, Your Lordship, kindly see introduction of the Justice Kataki at page 2. The Honorable High Court has initiated a suo motu proceeding.
Yes, sorry.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, kindly see 1.1, my Lord. Justice Kataki, Honorable High Court has initiated a suo motu proceeding, registered and numbered as PIL number 2 of 2022 on the illegal mining of coal in the state of Meghalaya, taking cognizance of newspaper articles referred to the dangerous process of rat hole mining that may lead to collapse and miners being trapped, and also to ensure the directions issued by Honorable Supreme Court, while judgment and order dated 3rd July 2019 and batch are complied with. So this was the contours, my Lord, which was set by Your Lordship. And then Your Lordship will come to paragraph 1.3. Seventeen interim reports, apart from preliminary reports, have also been submitted by a single-member committee on various dates before this Honorable Court for consideration, projecting therein that continued illegal mining activities in certain districts of the state of Meghalaya, transportation of illegally mined coal, dumping of illegally mined coal adversely affecting the environment, mushrooming of coke oven plants in the areas where illegal mining activities are going on, operation of such illegally set up coke oven plants even without single window approval from the government of Meghalaya, or obtaining of consent to establish and consent to operate from a state pollution control board, setting of ferro-alloy plant in violation to guidelines issued by state government and MSPCB from time to time, suspected procurement of illegally mined coal by the coke oven plants and ferro-alloy plants for their operation, etc., steps to be taken for curbing such illegal activities. The need for quantifying the available coal mined prior to imposition of ban by NGT, which is termed as inventorized coal, and its re-verification and reassessment having failed by committee, a step for such re-verification and reassessment of inventorized coal have also been taken. Quantity found after such re-verification reassessment of inventorized coal by conducting drone survey was 14,10,710. My Lordship may kindly mark this figure, because this is the figure which is to be auctioned by state government, 14,10,700 metric ton, as against 31,56,000 claimed to be available by state government. In affidavit filed before Supreme Court has also been stated in report submitted by committee. The time for disposal of re-verified, reassessed inventorized coal through CIL was also recommended. Steps required to be taken to ensure that stoppage of illegally mined activities, including transportation of illegally mined coal, have been indicated in the report, my Lord. So this 14 lakh, my Lord, is there, my Lord. And then Your Lordship will see the the conduct of field visit at 2.1, my lord.
Come to 1.6 first.
1.6, my lord. I'm obliged. The single member committee during the field visit has also found on going on illegal coal mining activities in various areas such as Salang, Kleon Mathai in West Khasi district, Minska area, West Jantia Hill, Gasua Pari in Chokpot South, and Clariat in East Jantia Hill district, apart from other areas of different districts which are mentioned in detailed report submitted by committee, my lord. And that report is there in next paragraph, 2.1, field visit, my lord. Single member committee, after submission of 17th interim report dated 22/9/2023, conducted field visit in East Jantia Hill district. On 7/11/2023, during which Director of Mineral Resources, Government of Meghalaya, represented by District and Police Administration, apart from other government officials present, such field visit was conducted in Clariat, in Kirhulkla and lunar areas in East Jantia Hill district and Fifi Fall area of Amlarem, West Khasi Hill district. During the field visit of Clariat area in East Jantia Hill district, single member of the committee noticed dumping of huge quantity of freshly mined coal by the side of National Highway near Don Bosco Junction as well as behind Don Bosco College. In Bindi Hati village, single member committee also noticed construction of a way bridge behind Don Bosco College in Bindi Hati village and in the midst of illegally mined coal dumps as well as near few active coal mines. The said way bridge is not easily accessible and far from national highway. Presence of such huge quantity of illegally mined coal, which are neither part of earlier inventorized, my lord, lordship may mark, earlier inventorized nor seized coal, amply established continuous.
Yes, you see these pictures now.
Yes, lordship.
Yes. What do you have to say about
finding which is recorded by Justice Kataki is it is not part of earlier inventorized coal, my lord.
That's a finding.
That's a finding, my lord.
And there are tire tracks.
Yes, your lordship, this was part of inventorized coal only, which we have placed before Justice Kataki, my lord. And what Justice Kataki has sought in this in this report only, my lord. Kindly see the direction which has been issued to the administration, my lord, after photograph.
How do you justify this?
Yes, your lordship. Kindly see this direction which has been given, my lord.
Yes.
4.3, my lord. First 4.3 at page 14, my lord.
Status of auction?
Yes, my lord. And then thereafter I will take the direction also on that issue. A total quantity of 5,92,644 metric ton of reassessed, re-verified, inventorized coal was put up in last auction of 3rd November 2023, conducted by CIL, out of which 5,87,550 metric ton was successfully bid by bidders. The successful bidders have to make payment of the bid amount, which whereafter the actual quantity of such coal lifted by bidders would be known. About 5,55,000 metric ton of coal out of 14. So what the only coal which is now left, my lord, is 5,50,000. Out of 4,10,700, which is assessed and as reassessed, re-verified, inventorized coal mine prior to imposition of ban, it still remains to be transported from pit head to designated depot. So only coal which is left out, my lord, after the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, which is yet to be transported, is only 5,55,000. Any coal beyond this 5,55,000, my lord, is illegal coal and they are liable to be seized under section 21, my lord. Wherever we find, we do that. All concerned department, my lord, direction, including Deputy Commissioner, are therefore advised to take up expeditious transportation of such coal so that all reassessed, re-verified, inventorized coal could be transported to designated.
Okay, fine. Where are directions?
Yes, your lord.
Now, see,
yes,
4.42, single member committee to a field visit conducted on 7/11.
Yes, your lord.
Freshly illegally mined coal.
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, the direction is that to give the your lordship will see that direction. Direction is to give a report to this effect by Deputy Commissioner. And if I
report?
That report we have given it to this committee, my lord,
when?
Showing within the time frame given by the committee, and that same reply is also there in my affidavit, my lord. Kindly see my affidavit.
Status report or affidavit?
The status report. I'm sorry, my lord. It's the status report. Page, your lordship will see paragraph. It is paragraph 4, my lord. 3 we have, because once there is a complaint, my lord, without, we have registered the FIR immediately, but be as it may, my lord, kindly see paragraph 5. That it is submitted that upon perusal of the record, it has been found that coal dump found behind the Don Bosco College belonged to one Sri Mul Simply, NGT serial number so-and-so. The quantity assured by magistrate in 2019 was 4,800 metric ton. The copy of the pages of attached. It is submitted that as per Garuda UAV re-verification report, the re-verified and reassessed coal was established 4790 metric ton. A copy of DMO report of 25th August 20. It is submitted the Google Maps snapshot of the location of declared coal by Sri Mul Simply with respect to.
Okay, where was this coal before?
It was there only, my lord, because in inventorized, my lord, this your lordship will coordinate is also.
2019 till now the coal remain the same place.
Because these are the pit heads and depots, my lord, and that is why.
Behind a college.
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord. These are the open. Your lordship will see NGT serial number, coordinates number, so and so.
Whatever it is, Mr. Archivist, the thing is that in 2019's quantity was.
Because the only coal is now, my lord, left is 550,000. We have transported.
No, now in this particular place, Bidi Hati.
Yes, your lordship.
The thing is that now the coal is increased to 4790.
Justice Kataki has now directed.
Coal grew by itself.
No, your lordship. This is for as per the declaration by magistrate in 2019 was 4,800 metric ton. Today also it is 4, and Garuda software gives the accurate figure of 4,790 metric ton, my lord. And Justice Kataki has also directed administration to submit the Garuda's photo image and the Google snapshot also. The Justice Kataki is looking into this matter, my lord. If I can show the direction of this aspect, that whether, and then so far as grievance regarding way bridge concerned, this way bridge is a private way bridge. We have directed.
We will not look into a way bridge.
Yes, your lord. So we have dismantled it.
That the very fact that
the only issue is, my lord,
is a physical verification done by the single member committee.
Yes,
that is a fresh coal.
Yes,
and
sir.
now we're trying to explain by saying that
yes,
in 2019, that was 4 years ago. This course remain as it is.
Lordship, around 550,000 metric ton.
No. Where was this
including this?
It was here only.
Here only, because see, your lordship,
is it
Google coordinate is also mentioned here, my lord. If your lordship, and this is the aspect which is being looked into by Justice Kataki in his report. Justice Kataki is looking into this aspect of the matter, because this Mul Simply has declared paragraph 5, my lord, with coordinates, etc., my lord. With coordinate, etc. Because Justice Kataki has made the field visit, and in the field visit he noticed this aspect of the matter, my lord. In the field visit.
Annexure C. Where's Annexure C?
At page, your lordship will find at page 14.
Yes, 14. This is 18 report.
Yes, my lord.
Where does it say about Mul Simply?
Yes, your lordship will see.
Where does it say that in these coordinates?
Lordship will see this.
This is
13.
1689. In view
Yes,
of the
first, your lordship may
government
kindly see 13, my lord.
support.
Page 13 investigation, because we have to.
Yes.
13, my lord. With reference to the above, I am to inform you 7th November, a written FIR was registered, my lord. Your lordship may skip the 5 lines. Justice Honorable on the official so and so during the inspection, coal suspected to be illegally mined store were detected. Attempts were made. Coal dump was assessed by Sri so and so assistant check and total weight was so and so. Said coal was seized by so and so. Further, it is to mention that coordinate mentioned in the FIR was found not matching during the physical inspection of the correct coordinate during so and so. Coordinate, there was some issue of coordinate, my lord. And then your lordship will see the typed copy of 2018, and this is the report, my lord, at page 14.
Where is it?
Page 14, my lord. Annexure C. This is of 15th October 2018. With reference to the above, subject above, I am to furnish here 796 number of order passed by the Court of Deputy Commissioner, Court of District, the coal owner by person who had purchased the so and so, inquired from the magistrate, my lord, in white 16, and then your lordship will inspection report of assessment. And
see, now the coordinates don't match with the
there was some,
with regard to the earlier coal bin is Mul Simply
yes, Mul Simply
20 Bindi Hatti is Mul Simply 4,800 tons.
Yes, your lordship
25.6249.
Yes, 16 page 16 bottom, my lord. Kindly see page 16 bottom.
Yes, we've seen that.
Yes, more simply. So this
But
is,
then
my lord,
according
and
to
this
those
issue, my humble submission, my lord, is this issue is also being looked into by Justice Kataki
Is that
into this aspect of the matter.
One thing, Mr. Advocate General, I think is that this bench is going to carry forward whatever was, have been flowing from the
Yes,
full
sir.
bench.
That
We
I-
had put it before the wind because one of the brother judges can't take up the matter.
Yes, my lord.
The thing is that, see, whatever it is, like just because a certain person is retired, something doesn't mean that we're not going to carry forward. I
Yes,
want to
sir.
make this message clear.
Yes, my lord.
And one, you just go to the early orders passed by this court.
Yes, my lord.
If you, from I think from 7th of September, I've been looking through, just see the order 7922. from Order G.
22, my lord.
Yes. 7922. Because we're not satisfied with this report. I mean, if on physical verification by the single member committee who's been handling this matter for how many years now, there are fresh tire tracks, there's a new way bridge, the coal being dumped with impunity, and that there's fresh mining activity from the mines, abandoned mines not been covered.
My lord, with greatest respect, my lord.
I'm afraid we'll have to carry forward the contempt. Whatever, 7-9, you see,
Yes, my lord.
you kindly see, you've got order 7-9-2022?
Yes, your lordship.
You kindly come
Well,
to serial
to
number
make an
2 of the
inventory
order.
of the exact quantum of the coal at each place in terms of order dated, it will be evident that relevant order notice of previous inventory that may have been presented before National Green carried to the Supreme Court on various places where coal dump was roadside. Order required a fresh inventory to be made, which does not seem to have been done. So the inventorization, willful failure on the part of contaminants in their official capacity to implement the prohibition of mining in a state without obtaining appropriate license in accordance with law. Instances in such regards are available in plain sight all over state, including Clariat, nearby areas, and continuously report in the newspaper. Indeed, recent deaths due to rat hole mining have occurred and have been widely reported. As recently as last week, illegal mining in remote areas of West Kasil was also reported. It is noticed that
See,
alarm
just
that...
draw attention to this order to say that, that this contempt is still over the head. Now, regarding the police authorities in East Jante Hills, now, who's the current SP there?
Jagpal Singh Dhanu.
How long has he been there in East
I
Jante
have to
Hills?
take instruction. How long he has been here?
When was he posted at first?
I have no idea. Milo, I have
If
to
he's
take-
been there for many years, he should be on the ball regard to prohibition, at least this fresh mining.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'll have to take action against him.
Yes, Your Lordship. That we will...
Maybe we'll ask him to appear on Monday 11th.
yes, Your Lordship. I'll ask.
Because this is even a deputy commissioner, this is
Yes,
too
sir.
much actually.
SP
How long has he been there, SP? You find out right away. How many years has he been there in Clariat?
SP is new. The SP is... DC is Abhilash.
No, not the deputy commissioner. Who's the Supreme Police?
Jagpal Singh.
How long he's been there?
I have seen last time we went there, he was there when the building was inaugurated.
He's been there.
A building
If
was
he's not fit
inaugurated.
for a job, he should be transferred. We'll enter something in ACR.
I'll call someone, Your Lordship, summon him or the officials who are there. But my respectful submission, my Lord, is that Justice Kataki has surveyed the entire district and he noticed one coal dump, my Lord. Only one.
That is under his nose, under the SP's nose.
No, Your
That's in,
Lordship,
that is
there,
in Clariat.
there
He's
with
very happy.
respect,
It's
my Lord.
just-
There with respect, my Lord, if Your Lordship will see
That is why this court's alarmed.
yeah,
You can understand if it's some corner, of the
in
jungle,
hidden area,
maybe out
then-
of sight of the
yes.
authorities, this happening. But it's happening behind is the biggest college in Clariat. It's
Your
happening
Lordship.
right there.
Yes, that's a
That's what shocks
that's a
me.
alarming picture. That's a alarming
Yes.
picture. That's a
That
alarming
is
picture.
why is the court alarmed?
Yes, I
Otherwise, we are
understand.
happy
I quite see what is.
that this is
No, I
happening. That the
understand.
court is.
That
the,
if it is happening in the
being
front of
auctioned-
everybody, if it is happening in
that's
the,
the only thing
that
that
is not
shocks the court.
acceptable. That is not acceptable. I bow down, my lord, administration or anybody. What I was praying, my lord, in the backdrop, the facts, my lord, if you lordship will see, just see the Kataki committee, because this is entire issue is being in the report only. The direction has been issued to the district administration to submit the report, particularly regarding this, my lord.
When is submitting the
A
report?
report has been submitted to the district administration, and I am told by Deputy Commissioner yesterday, my lord, that Justice Kataki has asked for drone survey report, footage of drone survey, and also asked for Google map of the area, so that whether the coal was present right now or it was brought to the place. That inquiry is being carried out by Justice Kataki.
Because, Ms. Karthik, you also should be concerned if under the, behind this big college,
Yeah.
if
the
impunity
coal,
you dump freshly mined coal,
Yes, Your
you set
Lordship.
up a weighbridge to measure that coal, and you see it's to measure construction materials.
Yes, Your Lordship. That is the if it
There's
is
a limit,
if,
there's a limit.
if it is a case
Like
where it is in,
again, we can understand if in some jungle somewhere, some old mines reopened, that will happen.
I understand that we
But
can
not
say
you dump 5,000
that we
tons
have-
of coal
in front of everybody.
in front of everybody
Yeah.
and justify it with some other coordinates that in 2018, 4,800 tons of coal were inventorized from this, whoever he was.
You will also
whoever he
kindly
is.
see page 13 of Justice Kataki report, just page 13, paragraph Roman 5.
What are we to do?
Just
We
kindly
have
see.
to take actions for law.
Yes, Lordship. Page 13, Your Lordship will kindly see page 13
Yes.
bottom. The Deputy Commissioner is advised to make an inquiry and submit the report within a week as to how such illegal coal mining activities could continue. He has further been advised to conduct an inquiry relating to setting up the aforesaid weighbridge and also no further construction is made and same is made operational. Report is also advised to be within a week.
So when's this report? Is it come?
A report has been submitted to Justice Kataki, and Justice Kataki, after submission of report, has further, because after this I also sought instruction from Deputy Commissioner as to what has been done. So then further information has been sought from Deputy Commissioner last week or 2 days back only, and that report is being submitted to Justice Kataki. So Your
What
Lordship,
is the report also?
Your Lordship.
Just got to keep.
Yes.
But the thing is that we have to ask that SP to appear here. And this is too much.
yeah, I understand, my Lord. If it is happening the way it is, then it.
And
it
how
is
many
seen-
years has he been there as he's Jayanti Hills? This
My Lord,
court really
because,
wants to know. You find out right now, you get someone to inquire.
Call him and find out. That is the first matter, my Lord. The second matter, in the meantime,
Yes?
there is a second PIL also, because in the Justice Kataki report only, my Lord, with regard to Salendra Kumar, coke oven plant, my Lord. What is happening, my Lord, is very unfortunate because, yes, there are lapses on the part of government administration in coal matters. But what is happening is that now it has become a kind of private vendetta or private interest litigation. And there are ample examples, my Lord. This Salendra
Is it
Kumar.
reflected in the report with regard to the issue number 2?
beg your
The report, is it
His
reflected?
report is with regard to Shiumoto coal, my lord. And Justice Kataki has also said, because this coke oven plant matter issue, my lord, is the stay is operating, my lord. That reference has been made by Justice Kataki in his report saying that
Since when is it posted there?
7/2/2021. 7 February 2021, my lord.
He's been there since 21?
21, so then 23, so 2 years, 6 months.
21?
Sorry, 2021. 7th February, he was posted as a Deputy Commissioner on 7th February, sorry, so SP on 7/2/2021, my lord. 21.
2021.
Yes.
Right, and now it's 23. So then he must be, he's not as question.
He's completed 2
You
years,
see,
6 months.
Why
2
are you
years.
asking this? That he's not a new person then. He knows, by 2 years, he have a good idea what orders the court,
Yes.
what is happening in the area.
Yes.
If he's a fresh SP, you can understand maybe he's not aware.
Yes, Your
or he's just been, like the new Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, only thing, my lord, in this, particularly Don Bosco, the coal which was lying
That
behind
is
Don
shocking.
Bosco, my lord, the one issue is that one miner is claiming that this is my coal which I have declared in NGT, my lord.
We're not buying that.
And that matter is being looked into by Justice Kataki, my lord. Your lordship, I'm not.
Okay, we will not pass any orders right now with regard to that coal. But the thing is that...
And we have also registered the FIR. It's not that we have registered the FIR and seized the coal. Now, because the Honorable Supreme Court judgment in that particular case said that anything beyond this declared coal, I mean, that has to be treated as Section 21 of MMDR Act, seized, FIR to be registered, auctioned as per direction of the Chief Judicial Magistrate, and that process. So therefore now because once Justice Kataki has pointed out, we immediately without delay registered the FIR. But it was probably part of the inventorized coal which is being looked into, because Justice Kataki formed the opinion that it is not part of inventorized coal. and it is not a part of declared code. That aspect is being looked into, my lord. That your lordship may consider, because the report of Justice Kataki in this regard will be before your lordship to form the opinion, because every aspect of this matter is being looked into by Justice Kataki. Because there are certain documents showing that probably this coal was lying there, my lord. If your lordship will see the photographs also, small heaps are there. Now the issue is that whether this coal was lying in 2019 or it has been dumped now, my lord. That aspect is being examined. But be as it may, my lord, we have registered the FIR and also seized the coal also, because that will be for the minor to claim whatever, but we did not delay. And probably the only coal left, my lord, is in particular this district about 2.5 lakh metric ton. Any which was part of the NGT re-inventorized coal, my lord. So thereafter, my lord, and any coal beyond that, the SP and DC both can be held accountable if they are there wayside road, etc. If it is in interior, my lord, we have expressed our helplessness. We ask.
We understand that. We understand.
And
But
what happens, my lord, in this coal economy? What I understand.
What about the missing coal?
Now the question, my lord, of missing coal is very interesting. The coal is not missing, my lord. If I can show the judgment from the Honorable Supreme Court judgment.
We don't go back. That is 2019.
No, because that is the basis. What Justice Kataki is saying, that there is a declaration by state government that about 31 lakh metric ton of coal was mined prior to imposition of ban.
Or drone survey comes with 14 lakhs only.
No, so drone survey comes for 14 lakh only. Justice Kataki at that point of time, because there was no scientific assessment carried out, Justice Kataki then also, in that point of time also, my lord, gave the report that coal is not beyond 20 lakh. As per, that has also been recorded by the Honorable Supreme Court. That fact has also been recorded in all the Masa judgment, my lord. I can show that paragraph.
We will not go there now.
So, my lord, so therefore, as on today, it was a volumetric basis. Now, scientific assessment has been carried out. Now, the plague of illegal coal, my lord, because if the entire coal is auctioned by December, and it is transported also, my lord, any coal which is found outside.
This is happening back
no,
to
because
what has been said time again.
There was no clean slate before, my lord, because of the intervention, because there was some delay. Because what has happened, my lord, that oversight committee has also been constituted by NGT in this regard. After this matter went to the Honorable Supreme Court, Justice Kataki resigned. After that, oversight committee was constituted. So oversight committee was unable to finalize the plan of auction. Then your lordship's intervention and Justice Kataki with the Coal India and Mining Department finalized the auction plan. And we have been able to auction about 9 lakh metric ton, only 5 lakh 50,000 metric ton, and direction is there by the by Honorable Justice Kataki to transport entire 5 lakh 50,000 metric ton by December to coal depot. So any coal like this Don Bosco coal or any coal is found, district administration and the person who is claiming that his coal, they can be held accountable, my lord.
We just excuse us for 5 minutes. I just have to take the urgent call. Just come back 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Yes, where were we?
Lordship, on the report, my lord. In report, my lord, in paragraph 1.5, my lord, Justice Kataki's report, my lord, page 3, my lord.
Yes.
Based on reports submitted by committee, a number of coke oven plants set up illegally without either SWA of the government of Meghalaya or a CT or CTU from MSPCB or both have been demolished. Honorable Supreme Court, by a subsequent order of 7th August, stayed the demolition of illegal coke plants as directed by Deputy Commissioner West Kasil, with the liberty to the Deputy Commissioner to seal the coke plants premises to ensure that such plants remain non-operational. Similar order is also in respect of my lord Isjantia Hill, has been passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, and matter with regard to coke oven plant, my lord, demolition is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. So the report of Justice Kataki has got, my lord, three aspects, my lord. One, with regard to auction, my lord, with regard to auction. Second, with regard to alleged illegal coal dump before Don Bosco College. And third, with regard to the transportation of coal of 5,50,000, my lord, from pithead to the depots of Coal India, my lord. These are aspects. So far as illegal coal behind Don Bosco is concerned, my lord, committee itself has directed the Deputy Commissioner to conduct inquiries.
When is the report being submitted to Justice Kataky?
Within the direction was to submit within, if your lordship will see 3.1, where the Justice Kataki has held physical sitting with the officers, my lord, at paragraph 3.1, page 12.
Yes.
And immediately next day, my lord, after conduct of the field visit, the single-member committee held a physical sitting with representative of all concerned departments.
When is the Deputy Commissioner giving his report?
Within the direction was to submit within a week, my lord, and
he submitted.
It has been submitted. I am informed that it has been, because the process is that it has been submitted to DMR, Secretary Mining, and Secretary Mining in turn has submitted it to the Justice Kataki. I am told that report has been submitted.
You see, again, we are repeating ourselves.
I understand.
The thing is that we are concerned with that because we are shocked to see that.
Understand.
That after all these years since
Yes,
the Sumoto thing was taken up since I think February 2022.
Yes, Lord.
If I'm not wrong.
Yes,
and now we come down the road 2 years, and the report comes that stares in your face that the coordinates don't match and that this 5,000 tons of coal is there. Plus his SP has been there for 2 years. I can understand he's a fresh fellow. He'll not be aware of these. He's been there.
Yes,
I mean, there must be some connivance. If person can with impunity transport coal and dump it, and that
Lordship,
is
what I was requesting your lordship may await. Now your lordship has.
So we'll await the report of Justice.
Your lordship,
let Justice Kataky give his findings also on the report.
Report, my lord.
But the other thing that we have to rein in these officials, the way that
Yes,
they are functioning.
I am not coming at all in the way, my lord. If your lordship will feels that something is amiss, definitely.
Let him appear on 11th.
Yes.
Yes. What about item number 2?
Item number 2, my lord, is.
My lord,
We'll pass orders. Yes.
Lordship, I have few submissions, my lord. Firstly, my lord, we had filed an affidavit on 26 September, my lord, PIL 8 of 22.
What's wrong? Champar M. Sangma?
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Lordship, we had filed an affidavit on 26th of September.
Where is the petition?
26th, my lord, maybe registered.
Of September.
The last affidavit filed by us, my lord, supplementary affidavit, filed in person to the Honorable Court's date, order dated 29th August.
(26) or 29?
Perhaps it was registered on 29th, my lord.
26/9 supplementary affidavit.
Supplementary affidavit, my lord, filed by the petitioner. If your lordships have it, my lord. Lordship, here, my lord, we are concerned with the coal of a private respondent number 14 in Gaswapara. Lordship will kindly see, my lord, page 3, paragraph C of my affidavit.
Page
Page 3, paragraph C, my lord, at the bottom, if I may just read, my lord, that after having entered appearance, the said respondent number 14 filed an affidavit dated 19/9/22, whereby inter alia at paragraph D, page 7 thereof, it was stated on oath that the entire coal stock lying in the open pertaining to the answering respondent had been disposed of as expeditiously as possible. Similarly, in para 17 thereof, it was inter alia stated that in any case as on date, there is no dumped coal pertaining to the answering respondent in Gaswapara. And that was, my lord, the stand of the government as well, that whatever coal was originally dumped has been disposed of.
Yes.
Now, my lord, lordship will kindly see paragraph H, my lord, at page 5.
Yes.
My lord, in the 16th interim report filed by Justice Kataki, which was filed on 5th of August 2023,
Yes.
my lord, at paragraph I have stated that under para C2 of the said report, at page 13 thereof, it has been reported that approximately 6,312.68 metric ton of seized coal is found to be available on the assessment of the Divisional Mining Officer, South Garhwal District, which according to the Deputy Commissioner belongs to MS Jaima Coal Respondent 14 in PIL number 8 of 22. All these coal were either seized either on 27/6/2023 or on 30th/6/2023 or on 7th of July 2023 or 11th July 2023. Now, my lord, they had made a statement before this honorable court that all the coal that has been dumped by them in Gaswapara has been disposed of. And that was made in the month of September 2022. And now again, my lord, fresh coal purportedly in the belonging to this private respondent has again emerged in and around Gaswapara, and Justice Kataki has also found that aspect, my lord, 6,300 metric tons.
You verified that it belonged to respondent number 14?
Lordship, yes. Even the Deputy Commissioner has made a claim that it belongs to respondent number 14.
Yes.
Whether there are any...
So you say that on September 2022, it said there's no dumped coal anymore of this respondent 14.
Lordship, yes.
But in 2023...
Again, the fresh coal is coming up.
63,000 tons are there.
Lordship, again, fresh coal is coming up. That is the first issue, my lord. The second issue, my lord, which we have brought from this affidavit, Lordship will kindly see paragraph 7, page 7, paragraph M, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, another aspect of grave importance is that the state respondents in its preliminary report dated 2nd of August 22, it was entirely stated that 11,402 coal-laden trucks belonging to MS so-and-so has allegedly entered into Meghalaya through Dainadubi Diama check gate with effect from 1st of December 2021 till 28/2/2022. And thereafter, my lord, we had filed the petition and there was no further transportation allowed. And as such, the total amount of coal allegedly brought to into the state of Meghalaya by respondent 14 comes to around 1,36,824 metric ton of coal, my lord. However, as per the customs record, my lord, which they had also filed a report, an excess, my lord, has gone out of the state using the e-way bills and challans of respondent number 14, which also clearly shows, my lord, that the respondent 14 is in fact mining coal within the state of Meghalaya.
Not mining coal, but exporting illegal coal.
Exporting illegal coal, my lord.
Yes.
So in reply, my lord, they have filed an affidavit which was filed on, my lord, 29th of November. The state respondents have filed an affidavit, my lord. 30th November, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly have paragraph 2 at page 2 of the said affidavit. This was filed in reply to my affidavit, my lord. It is submitted that no transportation of coal under the name of MS Jaima Coal Private Limited was allowed after filing of the instant PIL. Then, my lord, how the fresh coal has again come in Gaswapara? This is not a correct statement, my lord. Fresh transportation was allowed, coal was dumped again in
You mean
Gaswapara.
to say that in 2023, after filing instant PIL,
Lordship, yes.
that means after
Because
22
immediately after the
22,
PIL was filed, there was a stay.
The stand of the state that after 2022,
No transportation.
after February 22, there's been no
No
transportation.
transportation, my lord. And
But then
yet,
as per the custom records, they've transported between when to when?
between the same period, as per the customs record, they have exported more coal than what they have said
When
has.
is the period? Give the period. He said that 1,74,000 tons has been exported.
Lordship, the period was between 14th December 2021 till 25th of May 2022. And from 26th, there was a stay order passed by this Honorable Court, my lord.
That is 1,74,000 during that period.
1,74,000 has been exported.
Before 25th May 2022.
Lordship, yes.
I mean, that statement's not wrong. That after the orders were passed, then maybe they say that there's been no transportation.
Then how, my lord, new coal has come in the month of September 2023, again found in Gasuapara, Lordship. And that is from Justice Kartaki's report. It is not only our allegation, my lord.
Right, okay. What happened? There was an inquiry after that.
Yes, my lordship, may I?
Yeah, let him complete, yes.
So they have replied, my lord. And more alarmingly, my lord, if lordship kindly sees paragraph 6 of this affidavit
Yes.
at page 3. It is submitted that the challans applied by MS Vaishno Devi Traders Private Limited are from East Jaintia Hills district to South Garhwal district, which is within the state, and hence no record at check gates or weighbridge is maintained except for movement of coal to outside the state at the exit checkpoints. Here also, my lord, what is happening is coal is being transported through the entire state of Meghalaya, usually from East Jaintia Hills, either through Nongstoin to Gasuapara or through Guwahati and Dudhnoi and back to Gasuapara. And if the state says, my lord, that they don't have any record of the weighbridge for intra-state transportation, so if someone, my lord, takes up coal from East Jaintia Hills, picks up new coal from Shalang and eventually transports it outside, the state has no record, my lord, that what is going on within the state.
Outside state.
Even for, my lord, the trucks which are passing from one district to the other district, the weighbridge has to be, the truck has to be weighed, it has to be maintained, my lord, in the weighbridge. And they are saying that for transportation within the state, the weighbridge is not maintaining any
Who
record.
was this Champar and Sangma?
Lordship, he is a person from Gasuapara, my lord.
Coal trader.
He is not a coal trader, my lord.
They are all coal traders, my lord. They are all coal traders set up. My lord, I have what?
And
Coal traders.
more interestingly, my lord,
They are all
more
interest-
interestingly,
their rivalry
the
among
private,
themselves.
I don't know why the Under Advocate General is preaching for the private respondent.
I'm not. I'm just. You are blaming state, and I am arguing.
More interestingly,
and
my lord,
I should not defend state. I
So
should.
the orders of this court are that no transportation of
no purchase, no
this
transport, no
114
export.
or of the other, what is that? The other
Vaishno
entity
Devi.
shall not wear off the leave of the court. Correct?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Not only fresh coal is being found in Gasuapara, claimed by respondent 14, no records are maintained in the weighbridge, challans have been
No,
issued.
this number 6 needs some attention. Yes.
Yes, sir. My lordship, my friend has alleged, my lord, that
Only one more submission, my lord, which was being taken. My lord, we have the information that what is being the modus operandi used is that coal from East Jaintia Hills, my lord, is being picked up in the trucks.
my lord, let them put it in the on the affidavit, my lord, because they
and-
make all those kind of stories.
Let's hear it, yes.
And it is being transported to Assam, whitewashed in Assam and brought back through Dudhnoi and eventually exported to Gasuapara.
Illegal coal from East Jaintia Hills is brought to Assam.
Lordship, and the persons who are involved is the SP of the Jaintia Hills, the SP of
He is
Ribhoi
making
district,
allegation, my lord.
and one
Yes.
And against
SP
and
of
let him
Ribhoi
put on
district,
the affidavit so that
and
we can.
we'll put it on.
SP of, the next SP is how?
It starts, the connivance, my lord, as per our information, is between the SP of East Jaintia Hills, the SP of Ribhoi district, and the OC of Barnihat police outpost,
With
my lord.
respect, my lord,
And the coal is going outside the
he
state
is
and
making
brought back.
We have
making
any
allegation.
tangible-
All these
tangible
stories
evidence
he
for
is
that?
In
cooking
fact,
up.
this was also noticed in the orders passed by this court that this is the modern modus operandi which is being used.
this is
Coal
all
is being dumped in
incorrect.
Dudhnoi. Coal is being dumped in Dudhnoi
This is all the
state,
story.
and then it is being brought back to Meghalaya, saying that this is coal from Assam, and eventually exported through Gasuapara. Whereas all this coal, my lord, is actually from Meghalaya itself. I can name these people personally by way of affidavit, my
Please
lord.
put the affidavit. We'll
You file rejoinder affidavit.
Yes.
Lordship, yes.
If you want to file effective orders are to come, then you file rejoinder.
Lordship, we'll do that, my lord.
Because if you have
They will never file, my lord. They will take time again and again.
No, my lord.
File.
We'll file.
Can you file by 11th?
Lordship, we'll file by 11.
That is what your lordship kindly see the report of Justice Kataki, of latest report which I placed, latest report, my lord. 18th report.
Another report.
Because who are they, my lord? This aspect has to be looked into.
No, that we are very well aware. The only thing is that, see.
Yes,
the
your
thing is
lordship,
that the whole
Justice
thing we are here-
Kataki is looking into the illegal coal mining in the whole of this Meghalaya, my lord. Now, what they are trying to do, they are trying to settle the score. And here also, my friend has not read out the paragraph, which is most important paragraph in my reply. Because we have
What
to
is
be
the most
fair.
important paragraph?
Paragraph, your lordship, see paragraph 3. Why did not he place that fact, my lord? We are officers of the court, ultimately. We have to be truthful to the court. We can't play hide and seek game. It may be brought to the attention of this honorable court that Messrs. Vasno Traders was successful bidder of 12,500 coal during the auction conducted by Coal India. So 14th March, this person purchased the coal. Messrs. Vasno.
Company, my lord.
Whichever person,
So was
company.
leave of the court taken to transport this coal?
And that company, it is allowed. We have given the transportation challan. Now, what he is alleging, my lord, before your lordship, falsely, that it is a fresh coal. Why did he say so, my lord? Incorrect statement. I put this question to myself. I have to be truthful.
My lord.
I want action against somebody. Then you have to be truthful. You can't be playing hide and seek game. And I'm really, my lord, I have seen now. I'm receiving complaints after complaints, where now they are using this forum to abuse the process of law. Your lordship is right. Take action against the officers. Justice Kataki is looking into. But these are the private interests sitting in Guwahati and they are trying to harm the interests of the state. That is my statement, my lord.
Using the PL as a vehicle.
Your lordship, I will show, my lord, how they are doing it. We have demolished about 37 coke oven plants.
We have nothing to do with coke
No,
oven,
you are part of the larger picture.
Even
And what
he is part of the picture, my lord.
37, my lord. And now kindly see what my friend is saying.
Now, what do you want to see from the interim report?
Yes, your lordship will see page 4.4, my lord. If your lordship will see page 15. There are two types of coal in Meghalaya, my lord. There are two types of coal. One, which is being auctioned pursuant to inventorization, my lord. And second, my lord, wherever we find illegal coal, we seize them. The FIR is registered and they are auctioned by the concerned magistrate, and in terms of that it is happening, my lord. So on my part, I say that there is no illegal coal mining will be incorrect, my lord. I have to be truthful. There are illegal mining, but the law will take its own course, because for that, my lord, even in Jharkhand, even in Madhya Pradesh, even in all other states, my lord, that is why section 21, kindly see section 21 of MMDR Act. So therefore, the Justice Kataki has now, my lord, is looking into this aspect of the matter, where the status of seized coal. This is a seized coal, and this entire amount goes to the state. We do not give single penny, and that is how we have been conducting the auction, my lord. So auction is conducted, my lord, and the coal, the successful bidder purchases the coal and it transports the coal. Similarly, my lord, in my affidavit, what I have said, my lord, in supplementary affidavit, if my friend is reading, my lord, my paragraph 3, your lordship will see, was the successful bidder of 12,500 metric ton. No denial of this fact, my lord, that he was successful bidder or not. Messrs. Vasno.
If he's putting up a false case, he'll pay the price.
Yes, your lordship. That is what let him place. Let him place all these facts before you.
He'll impose heavy costs.
Yes, your lordship. I bow down. I bow down.
Facts found to be untrue.
Absolutely.
I bow down, my lord. I bow down. That is because if
With
the
regard
state
to
is
the report of Justice Kotoki, we have to take serious note of it, because it's an independent report that's being furnished and serious concerns have been voiced. There we will take. But on the allegations of other players in this entire thing,
my lord,
the thing is that we will take serious note
if I may humbly submit,
anything is proven to be otherwise.
Absolutely. If I may humbly submit, my lord, if lordship is pleased to take my supplementary affidavit one more time, my lord.
And kindly see what is his PIL. In supplementary affidavit, in PIL something else is there. In supplementary affidavit something else is there.
Lord,
there is some rule of pleading.
Because the full bench is no longer taken up the matter. These are the submissions that are being made now before this bench. I humbly submit, my lord. All this while, this PIL was filed, my lord, in 2022. The scope was expanded by Honorable my Lord, then Chief Justice. It was taken up in the full bench. Initially, it was before the division bench, my Lord. And none of these, now they are making, once the bench is taken, they're making all these
Your Lordship
submissions. my
has
Lord.
always been taking note of suo moto PILs.
If
Suo
Lordship
moto
will
matter.
kindly see, my
Suo
Lord,
moto
my
matter.
affidavit at page 17, my Lord.
I should not argue anything because I have not argued earlier. No, and whatever
He's
my
arguing
friend is
for the-
saying is correct.
please.
Page 17, my Lord. This is part and parcel of Justice Kathaki's interim
That is
report.
part of suo moto PIL, my Lord. Who is
If I
he
can
now?
finish, my Lord.
Yes.
Page 17, my Lord. Lordship will kindly
Come.
come.
Champer Sangma, yes.
Kindly
Page
come.
17.
Page 17, my Lord. This is part of the Justice
He is a
Kathaki's
public spirited citizen. All of them are public spirited
report,
citizens,
my Lord.
17 years.
And my
Lordship will
friend is
see
supporting public
Gaswapara at the bottom, my Lord. Huge number of coal dumps of varying quantity of coal are found on both sides of the road up to the LCS point, which are freshly mined. Signboards have also been put up in each dumps indicating the seizure of such coal, which is HS at 15828 approx metric ton. Now, point 2, my Lord, is what we are concerned with. Further, approximately 6312.68 metric ton of seized coal is found to be available on the assessment of the Divisional Mining Officer, South Garo Hills District, which, according to the Deputy Commissioner, belongs to MS Jaima Coal, Shri so-and-so.
No, that's what you already said in your affidavit. the
Yes.
main part,
And
yes.
what they are saying is, my Lord, Vaishno Devi has purchased auction. How is it related, my Lord?
No, that regard to the transportation.
Yes.
Yes, Vaishnavi is saying had obtained its talents and it taken Ejante Hills to Gasupara.
Yes.
So that is another.
That is a separate
that is
thing, my
separate
Lord.
thing.
And with Jaima, what I'm trying to say, my Lord, is that if they have made a statement that after the filing of the PIL, no transportation has been allowed by Jaima. Jaima has entered appearance in the PIL and they have filed an affidavit in the month of September 2022, saying that whatever coal was dumped in Gaswapara has already been disposed of. Now, my Lord, how in Justice Kathaki's 14th interim report, fresh coal of 6,300 odd metric ton is again appearing in Gaswapara, purportedly belonging to Jaima, my Lord. And these
Here,
have,
it's from 14.
and that is what I was trying to point out.
My Lord, Justice Kathaki
They are not
is
even
looking
appearing
on
anymore.
Each and every report and aspect of the matter.
They are
He is
not even
conducting the
appearing
inquiry.
anymore, my Lord.
Whichever.
And my learned senior is
And your Lordship,
defending
I have
them.
one humble prayer, my Lord. One humble. Your Lordship has framed Meghalaya High Court PIL rules, my Lord. They are mandatory in nature. None of the PIL petitioner, because why they are not fulfilling these norms, my Lord, is because we were at receiving end. We were always at the receiving end. There was some problem on our part. But ultimately, these rules which have been framed, which are mandatory, my Lord, because they, and none of, if your Lordship will see the PIL, just see the PIL, what is stated here, my Lord. And they will, and what will happen, my Lord, they will compromise and withdraw also.
And in fact, we filed this PIL much before the suo moto proceedings was taken up.
Yes, you are not getting money. Because of that only.
386. Yes, Mr.
Your Lordship, kindly see his PIL. Page.
No, we will not go to the PIL.
Yeah,
We
your
just
Lordship.
stick to sublimity. He has made some original charges and
So we'll put it on by way of
let
rejoinder,
let him supplement.
Your Lordship,
If he says
in
that
one
is
of the
correct,
cases,
sir,
my humble
we will-
request
we
is,
will pass
my
this.
humble request is, one of the cases, your Lordship has framed rules, my Lord. And those rules are pursuant to the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. They are mandatory. I am not averse to your Lordship
So you
taking...
want to close this PIL on
Because
technicalities?
if in
Now-
these are the vested interests, my Lord, your
Now-
Lordship, suo moto Kataki committee is looking into the matter. Your Lordship is monitoring us on
Now,
day
what happened to this coal has been detected by Justice Katuki? Has been auctioned.
They have not replied
Has
anything.
been auctioned. That's
we are seizing auctioning, my
Has
Lord.
it been auctioned? Has it been auctioned?
Your Lordship,
Have you
yes.
sent an affidavit?
Your Lordship, in that, my Lord, if your Lordship will see the status report of Justice Kataki, latest status report, and Justice Kataki is looking into the each district wise, my Lord, wherever illegal coal is seized, my Lord, Justice Kataki is collecting the report, directing the auction, and we are taking it to the Chief Judicial Magistrate, my Lord.
Sir Gaurav is not here in the latest.
I'll in the previous, that is the 14th interim report. This is the 18th interim report. That will be there in 15th, my Lord. My friend is singing old song.
I-16 is there in report. 15 and 16.
And whether it is what my friend is saying, illegal, every time, every coal he sees, he will say illegal. whether it is a part of inventorized coal or not. Let him, my lord, let him place the affidavit. It may be part of the inventorized coal. We have been on receiving end all the time. Your Lordship will see that report is there. My Lord, kindly see 16th interim report where Justice Kataki has dealt with this aspect.
The page?
Page 13, my Lord. Gaswa Pada.
Yes. The only concern is whether that coal detector has been seized in auction or not. That's
We
what
will
the court
be
asking
doing, my Lord, this is the regular course of activity which has been taking place in Odisha, in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh. But my friend will come and say that, look, he is against, I don't know, somebody else, private interest, and he will say that he is doing that and I am not doing it.
Lordship will see.
And he's, what he says, I am Garo,
No,
I am
see,
tribal.
The thing is that, see, Mr. Deb,
Lordship, yes.
over and above what Justice Kotoki has found, and directions have been issued.
Lordship.
Now, what do you want?
No.
Now you have drawn attention to the court that this that 63,000 or 6,312 tons
Lordship.
is found to be belong to respondent 14.
Lordship.
Now that was detected in the 14th report.
14th report.
Now you placed it by which submitting the affidavit.
Lordship.
Now even this has been addressed by Justice Kotoki in the 16th interim report, where he says that are to be taken to seal by auction. So what has been done? It's been sold according to
That
you.
is why we
Yes,
filed an
we do
affidavit.
that.
Kindly see the reply to that affidavit, my lord.
This is a,
They are
and this
talking about
once it
challans.
is a-
Will not
see here, and that, my
this
lord,
matter, you file your joinder.
Lordship,
You
we'll
have
do
made
that.
some
the issue
serious,
is that
We'll do that,
those
my
are
lord.
all 21 offences
Yes, sir.
under MMDR
We'll
Act.
do that, my lord.
as allowed by, in the second matter, as allowed by, in terms of order dated 22/11/2023 in PIL number 8 of 2023.
22,
An
my
affidavit
lord.
has been,
8 of
PIL
22.
number 8 of 2022. An affidavit has been filed by the state respondents pursuant thereto. Stop. In the course of considering the matter, the inner constitutional petitioner has raised certain, has made certain submissions which are serious in nature, as he has cast aspersions on the conduct of certain police officials, which he undertakes
I'll put it by affidavit.
to substantiate by way of an affidavit, to join affidavit to the affidavit filed, to the counter filed by the state on 30th November 2023. It's very serious. We take it very seriously.
Lordship, yes.
May make one request, my lord. Please,
Otherwise, I would
please
not take
call
personal
the,
names, my
please
lord.
call the petitioner in person also. My officers are present. He should also be present on 11th because
Let him file a rejoinder first.
yes, your lordship. Because your lordship will
When
see
can he file it? File it by-
they are all set up by They are all set up. They are
You
all
want
set
to
up.
lift the veil.
Lordship, and Mr. Championer will not be able to read a single line what is being written. These poor people are being used as pawn in the hands of
I can make the same allegation against my
the
learned
state
senior with
can
all due
read.
respect.
State
my lord.
officers can read. They know that
These
what
are
they are
very
writing.
personal
But
allegations.
that's why I requesting.
Okay, enough,
please,
yes.
None of this would have happened if the state was doing
When
its
can you
job.
file it?
We'll file it by the next date fixed, my lord. We'll.
Yes, Minister 11th. Just the matter on the 11th. Expected on the next day, the jointer should be on board.
Lordship,
I doubt, my lord.
He doesn't file it. See, he
Yes,
will pay heavy cost.
I have every
We have
reason-
recorded there. We have recorded
because
there. With our region that serious allegations have been made. We should substantiate it.
and Lordship, we have also filed a
because
miscase.
he will make allegation without
What
anything.
miscase?
Miscase,
Without
my lord.
anything, there is a conspiracy between two SPs, and he will say so. That's all, without anything.
Okay, since you know what it is, Mr. So it appears.
Miscase, my lord. It's not listed, but it is on board, my lord. I have been. Miscase number 5.
It has also been submitted that this application has been filed today.
No,
Being
we
this
have,
case number
we have filed it earlier, my lord. Miscase number 5.
number 5.
Let main matter be decided, my lord.
If I may just submit, my lord, why we have filed the miscase. A certain amount of coal was supposedly a notice was issued for auction in the West Khasi Hills district, my lord, through the office of the deputy
It's
commissioner.
different. It's not Gosopara.
Not
No,
Gasopara.
they are now. He's
On the last
concerned
time we taken
initially
leave, my lord.
PIL
We
was
had
for
taken leave of this
Gaswapara.
honourable
Now
court.
he is going into the West Khasi Hill. He will go to East Khasi Hill. Let him file.
No, we'll take it up. Let's listen together. But if it doesn't deserve consideration, we won't consider it.
Lordship, let them file a reply, my lord.
Not now.
Then, because, my lord, there is a certain urgency.
All private. What is the interest of champion?
Whether your miscase deserves any consideration at all first. If it deserves a reply. If it does,
So, Lordship may take it up because there is a small urgency, my lord. There is a small urgency. There is a small urgency.
11 years.
There is a small urgency, why I am saying, my lord.
We have 11 years. We have given enough latitude.
And I don't know why, my lord, learned AG is submitting
I'm
on behalf
arguing,
of the
then you will
private
say,
respondent.
why are you arguing? Don't argue. Go home.
No,
If I go home, you will say you are
please.
going home.
Please.
1.5 years later, he is raising technical objection that my PIL is
Please. Yes. Next.
obliged, my
Well,
lord.
for the state of Assam, I am appearing. Well,
You're appearing for whom?
for the state,
This
for the
PIL,
state of Assam, well, in
Yes.
PIL 8 of 2022.
Yes.
My simple prayer is, my email address is there, the petitioner, whatever affidavit he has filed, he will serve me a copy, Otherwise,
You kindly
in absence of
email
the copy, I am
copy,
filing.
Allegation is also being made against state of Assam, so they should also know.
We'll do that.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Next matter.
that's correct. That's correct.
Item number 4.
I am highly obliged.
This is the matter, my lord, relating to Coke oven plant. Again, Justice Kataki has gone into these aspects, my lord, which I have shown. But your lordship will see one aspect of the matter because he has filed the second PIL also, second PIL, which is before the other bench, my lord. And my lord, my humble prayer
Who has
is
filed a second PIL?
this Salendra Kumar Sharma.
Who's
Now,
for the petitioner?
I am appealing for the petition, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Gaurav.
Salendra, my lord.
he has
In this
filed.
matter, my lord, it was related to, my lord, illegal running over coke oven plant, Your Lordship. And my lord, learned AG has submitted that after filing of PIL, they have demolished 37 coke oven
Matter
plants.
before Supreme Court.
My lord. So meaning thereby, whatever we have placed before your lordship, it was correct, and state has not done anything. That's why,
The state has done
my
everything.
lord,
Yes,
because
okay,
of the
Mr.
filing of this PIL, my lord, and now my learned AG, my lord, is alleging against petitioner and taking technical pleas, your lordship.
This is not a
without
technical
any-
plea in law.
My
So
lord,
please, Mr.
Sorry.
Yes, there is.
my lord. In the second PIL, they are raising plea in respect of present PIL, your lordship, that some complaint was received by learned AG, and that complaint was received by was given by whom, my lord, one of the accused in this present PIL, your lordship, and his son was arrested, and he was one of the kingpin, your lordship, and that complaint was given by, my lord, that accused, my lord, after my complaint being lodged by at Guwahati, your lordship, and that complaint was brought to your lordship kind notice by way of affidavit, and this honorable court directed my lord, state of Assam to provide me security, your lordship. At that point of time, my lord, my learned AG had not raised any plea regarding that some complaint or something, some technical pleas. But now, my lord, the state is, my lord, on the plea of technicalities and all, my lord, without answering to the main question. The question is this, my lord, whether, my lord, 37 coke oven plant, they were running illegally. Why the state has not done anything before filing of PIL, lordship? Meaning their, my lord, state was in connivance with the, my lord, this kingpins, your lordship. They have demolished only after filing of PIL, my lord.
What's the
Because of
status now,
order-
Mr. Arvind? What's the status of those without any consent? Now, how many are running?
My lord, none of them are running. What happened, my lord? We granted them single window clearance and
But no consent
to operate.
to operate,
So
yes.
some of them were running, my lord. There was no order, but when there was some order passed by this honorable court, under those orders, my lord, we demolished it. They went to the honorable Supreme Court. They got the stay. That's a fact,
No
my lord.
further demolition.
We demolished it because
But they're not running.
They're not. They were 4. In fact, in their own affidavit, they say only 4 have got permission. In their PIL itself, they say, but we demolished them. Right or wrong, we demolished it because there was an order, and we did it. Now, what my and why Salendra Kumar is showing so much interest in coke oven plant, my lord? Kindly, I have put because that information was not there to me, my lord. Complaint came to the Salendra Kumar is a partner in a coke oven plant in Guwahati, my lord. Because if it's a question of demand and supply. Prices will, if
Has it come on record?
yes, in
Has
the
it come on record?
second PIL I have placed it.
If you record that
Yes, Your Lordship,
he's a
and
party.
his part.
Then we'll close, we won't close it, we'll keep it pending, we'll hear, where's second PIL?
Second PIL is before the other bench, my lord.
Why?
Because it should have,
I think that should also be taken to this
this should
bench.
have been taken along
We'll
with
pass
this.
orders there then. Any, and this next?
5.
What is this?
My lord,
Yes.
my lord,
We'll
so
pass
far as
on
item
the
number
bench.
4 is, my lord, item number 4 is concerned, can it be taken up not on 11, Your Lordship, or 12, Your Lordship, if not inconvenient to Your
Your
Lordship? 12,
Lordship,
Your
I
Lordship.
am having,
It will come to 11th.
it will come on 11th. I am having some difficulty.
We'll pass some orders on 11th. Yes. Because the court's going to close also. So unless some orders are in place.
Well, I am requesting for 12, Your Lordship, one day.
Well, there's a holiday here, Mr. Goyal.
Difficulty, I am also having personal difficulty.
Or Friday, Your Lordship, or Friday, my lord.
Friday will be last date. I am also having some difficulty, my lord. 11th is the date where, because all PILs are, everything is coming. SP has also been called on 11th. My friend can appear on VC like me.
You appear VC on 11th.
My lord, my lord.
Yes.
Monu Kumar again, my lord, he is again interloper.
Who's for the petitioner?
None.
What is his grievance?
This is again, Monu Kumar is what, my lord, because the coke oven plant in Salang area. Salang area.
Anyway, we'll list this together then.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
But these PILs should be disposed of, my humble request, my lord, because these are all, they will file some supplementary affidavit.
6.
Again, my lord, 6 is also Gaswa Pada coal.
Same on the same ground.
Same.
The most important will pass orders of suo motu, the rest will follow.
Rest will have to go, my lord.
Rest will follow. Rest will follow.
7.
This is a 302 double murder case, Your Lordship.
Hearing?
Hearing will take time.
Oh. Yes, sir. I request the counsel of the parties after vacation. This
Thank you,
one.
Lordship.
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Then to read this. Item number 1, pronouncement of judgment.
You read it.
I have to read it.
Yeah, just last one.
Yes. Just reading Gurja. In view of the above, it cannot be held at this stage that there remains no cause of action surviving in the present writ appeal and the same has become infructuous. The present application as such is devoid of any merit and stands rejected.
Any objection?
You are appearing for the respondent here.
Yes, Lordship.
You kindly inform the other councils in Manipur also, because the writ appeal will be listed now for hearing. Yes.
Lordship, on the request of the learned senior counsel, if this matter can be listed on the 19th.
19th.
Yes.
We'll see. Yes.
Any
This
objection?
item number 1.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, state has filed affidavit in opposition. I need to file rejoinder, your lordship. 2 weeks time may kindly be granted, your lordship.
My lord,
This matter we think of tagging together with the.
I have a
full
serious
bench.
objection, my lord. Serious thing, my lord. This PIL was filed, my lord, by one Salendra Kumar, my lord, and this Salendra Kumar is partner in coke oven plant, my lord. And what is the allegation which he has made here? Allegation is that illegal coal is being utilized by the private respondent number 7, my lord. That issue, my lord, was subject matter of Justice Kataki's report, and it travelled up to the Honourable Supreme Court, my lord. Supreme Court has remanded the matter back to the National Green Tribunal, Eastern Zone, my lord, and matter is coming on 9 January. So this was the one aspect of the matter. Second, the allegation was that limestone there is no mining lease to this cement company, and it is so then therefore and it is operating cement factory in Meghalaya. This is the second. And third, that subsidy has been received for production of for production of cement. Fourth is, my lord, that it applied for single window clearance for lesser, but it went for higher environmental clearance requirement. These are the 4 allegations made by Salendra Kumar, who is a private businessman, is a party to the entire, and he filed the PIL in violation to Meghalaya High Court rules, my lord. Meghalaya High Court rules are very
Okay,
clear.
have you?
Yes, your
by
lordship.
the respondent with 7 has been filed. We'll consider it. If there's no merit, we'll dismiss it.
Your lordship.
Affidavit has not been filed so far as the respondent 7 is
You
concerned,
could
your
not file it
lordship.
today.
Your lordship.
My
File
lord,
it by 11. Yes.
lordship, may have it on Monday.
As this matter
my
is.
lord,
And because my friend is trying to drive.
my lord, I need to file rejoinder, my lord. They have
You
raised
file it
certain
before that.
And they have got it immediately. In 2 days, they wanted my affidavit. We filed the affidavit. Now
Okay,
they are seeking 2 weeks.
The comment.
No. Never I said today affidavit
No,
will be
enough.
filed.
Yes. Yes,
My lord, can it be taken up not on 11, your lordship? I have difficulty on
See,
11.
Dr. Mozika, that goes his detriment only. He does his school business interest. When we take up the PIL, we'll examine first where its maintainability, then with regard to affidavits being filed, and whether if before the NGT, then if there's no merit, we'll impose cost on this. Because there's a
True, your
PIL.
lordship.
Yes.
It is if divide of merit, your lordship will certainly
Yes,
impose.
of course,
But
we'll do that.
my lord, not on 11, my lord, on 13, my lord, or any date, my lord. Because
See, now you know, what did he say? Litigation and business goes hand in hand. So
no, my lord, that's why. This is incorrect statement has been made.
No,
my
that's
lord.
what they are saying.
That's why I
Yes.
need to file my incorrect
Yes.
statement has been made by state, and that's too on the basis of one of the accused
Okay,
who
you
has
file
filed
rejoinder by next date. Yes.
on when is your lordship is taking up this matter? my lord?
11th, your lordship.
We'll just 11th. Your matter
No,
can
no,
be held
11th.
over if it can't be done that day. You file
My
rejoinder,
lord,
you
because
can, well
another
and
bench,
good.
another bench is taking up this matter. My lord. On 13, my lord. This is my humble request. On 13, my lord.
No, we
Not
both
on
of us are the
11.
same bench. Yes, this matter, this PIL, having a common thread with the matters which are present before the sumoto proceedings, is the same before the said bench. Stop. It is the parties allowed to file affidavits and rejoinders in the meanwhile. Yes. Yes.
Obliged.
You'll free of these PILs.
Yes, your lordship.
Except for sumoto.
7 PIL.
Yes.
Deeply.
It's like musical chairs, you know. Yes.
Any mention?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
I beg to mention item number 26. I humbly pray let this matter may come after 2 weeks. As the conducting...
Where's MS Elbert Rajiv? He wanted this matter to be heard.
After vacation, Your Lordship.
Is that part heard? The 25, 26 are linked. Who's 25? Who's appearing there? Mr. P.T. Sangma.
I'm for the GHEDC.
No, where's the petitioner in 25?
25, 10, 26 connected matter, Lordship.
Yes. He's asking after vacation.
Yes, Your Lordship. So, I have no objection, but
19 matter, yes, okay.
Your Lordship, I am ready, but again and again it is being adjourned, Your Lordship. But only thing is that, Your Lordship, 3rd week of February, I am just requesting, Your Lordship.
3rd week of February?
Yes, Your Lordship, I will be out of station.
Lordship, no.
This is matter is in
25 and
3rd week
26
February.
connected.
Yes, on request of the parties, yes.
Similar prayer for item number 43, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent 1, 2, and 3.
43, 2 weeks. Who's for the petitioner? Have you informed them? No. You informed them, AP Kapsana, yes. Yes. Next.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42, Your Lordship. I put a petitioner.
For the?
For a petitioner.
Buddha Sangma?
Yes, Lordship.
For respondent number 6, 7, 9.
What about the state respondent?
State respondent, they have filed the affidavit. I will have informed.
Anything remains this case?
No, Lordship, yes, Lordship.
A promotion?
Lordship.
Regarding vacancies
Lordship.
available or not?
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
Much pleasure, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40, Lordship.
40.
Lordship, bring this matter may come up after vacation, Your Lordship.
You're for the petitioner?
Your Lordship. No objection, Your Lordship.
Not the objection, you're not pressing it. Okay, 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41, Your Lordship. Sorry, Your Lordship.
Yes. She's been kind enough to correct this. Yes, 41.
Yes, Your Lordship. If the matter could come after vacation, Your Lordship. No objection.
Yes. After vacation, it's 41. Yes.
Please, Lordship.
What's happening?
Lordship, I beg to mention item 31, Lordship. Lordship, let this matter come up after vacation, Lordship.
31.
Yes, Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for respondent 5.
Okay. Mention me on behalf also. Mention me on behalf of respondent
Number 5.
This matter is very allowed after vacation. All the rest can come.
Highly obliged.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Singh. You have any mention? Okay, mention sometime, yes.
Lordship, for item 29, Lordship.
29.
29.
Ganga Sagaram.
Lordship. Can come up after vacation.
Who's the other side?
Mr. Devnath.
He's not here.
Is juniors.
Okay.
Obliged.
After vacation, yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship. It's a joint mention. We're going to settle the matter, Your Lordship, so we pray for...
You settle the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
2 weeks'
Party
time.
submit that the matters is settlement process is on. So we're going to this matter after vacations to await any outcome. Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32. Your Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up after vacation, Your Lordship.
32.
Yes, Your Lordship.
My Lord, we were already informed, dear. earlier, my lord, yesterday, so we have no objection.
2 weeks, yes, after vacation.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Madam.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
What is this?
Lordship, my lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord. If Lordship comes to page 24 of
Which
the
order?
Order of 22nd March, my lord, page 24.
Where is that?
Page 24, Lordship.
Page 24.
Lordship.
This is rising out of PIL, my lord, suo motu PIL, which was argued, my lord.
If I may just finish, it's a contempt, my lord. Lordship will see the paragraph, my lord, second paragraph from the top at page 24. State is directed to keep a strict vigilance on the activities of respondent number 14. No coal sought to be transported by the respondent number 14 or exported or purchased shall be allowed to be dealt with except with the previous leave of the court.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come, my lord, to page 52. These are the, my lord, auctions which are being conducted in the East Jaintia Hills. Lordship will see the date of the auction is of 3rd of November 2023. And Lordship will see Jema Coal Private Limited 200 MT and so on and so forth in the next pages as well, my lord. They have been allowed to purchase the coal without any leave of the court. And not only Jema, also the allied companies.
Yes. So he's saying that without a previous leave of the court, they have entered the auction.
They have entered the auction, they have won the auction, and in all probability the TP will be issued at any point of time and they will transport the coal.
That correct, Mr. Avgizan?
Yes, Lordship, the copy was not supplied to me, my lord.
But it's notice to issue, yes.
The only thing, my lord, is that the Chief Secretary has been arrayed as what? Why Chief Secretary, my lord? Because if the auction is not being conducted by Chief Secretary, why he has been named?
Given to the state, my lord.
The
The chief is headed by the Chief
every
Secretary.
state will not include Chief Secretary, my lord. For
You reply for spelling off.
Not sure.
Yes, sir. I heard Mr. SD is there for company issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Steps to taken by registered. Or you accept notice.
I accept.
With Affidavit General is present, accept notice will be ordered.
For all the respondents.
All the respondents who are
It's a matter of affidavit after vacations, yes.
Chief Secretary,
Yes.
DGP, Commissioner and DMR.
This matter of affidavit after vacations, yes.
Item number 2.
Me to please your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, issue involved in this case is regarding preventing the petitioner or debarring the petitioner to participate in the tender process. In other words, it's a blacklisting, my lord, and recovery of loss. I'll try to make my submissions, my lord. Before issues of impugn order, no show cause notice was ever issued. No opportunity was granted to the petitioner, my lord. This is the legal point, my lord. The factually, my lord, if your lordships can come to page number 21, my lord, tender notice, my lord. Page 21.
Is there provision for allowing to withdraw the tender bid?
Tender.
Page 21, yes.
Kindly see, my lord, what happened. Page 21 in the bottom, my lord. See, the price quoted was 7 crores 34 lakhs.
1 second, 1 second.
Page 21.
I'm not as fast as you, Mr. Nayan.
My lord.
Yes. 21, yes.
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 At the second column, my lord, 7 crore 34 lakhs.
Yes.
It's a handling and transportation of food grains from the FCA godown, my lord, to the destinations, my lord. This is the price quoted by them. I feel that the tender, but a new methodology has been adopted by the FCI. It's a calculation about divided by 100 something, my lord. So when I did it, my lord, I found that I committed a blunder, mistake. Because I quoted the price, it comes to 4 crores, but the bill is 7 crores. And there was defect in my tender also. Immediately I came to the office, I met the officials and said, this is what has happened. They said, don't worry, your tender is defective, so automatically will be rejected. Meanwhile, I wrote one letter to the Department of Micro Small Development, my lord, bringing all these facts to the department. They wrote to the FCI. But in spite of that, FCI issued LOI to me, my lord, letter of LOI. That's in page number 117, my lord. Please kindly have a look at that.
So when he detected the mistake, the
Yes.
date of withdrawal of bids already over.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So when you detected your mistake,
Yes.
for your withdrawal of bid, the date's already over.
That is over, yes.
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 What happened?
So what happened, my lord? They issued the LOI 117 page number, my lord.
Yeah.
Immediately thereafter, my lord, I wrote to the general manager FCI in page number 19. That's important, my lord. Kindly have a look at that. Next page. My lord, the third pair I will implement.
119.
Third, yes. Page 119. This is a mail sent to the general manager and also the AGM, assistant general manager. My lord, third paragraph, lordship, can you have a look at that? This is first contract we participated in after the new MT launched, and I am not able to assist with understanding the rate quoted calculation and quoted rate without adding 100. When we realized the mistake in quoting a low rate, it was already too late to rectify as the bid has been locked. The final LI rate on 32% ASOR will result in a significant financial loss to organization. Therefore, kindly request for the contract to be scrapped and refloated, giving opportunity like this is, my lord. Kindly see the next page also, my lord. Same thing. Next page also, page number 120. Same request I made, my lord. That's on 14th of November 2023, my lord. Then comes the impugn order, is the next page, 121 page number, my lord. That's the main crux of the matter here. This is the fact they have written, my lord. The operative part will be page number 122. Paragraph 7 onwards, my lord. Let me read that, my lord. Now, therefore, lordship has got it, my lord?
Yes.
Paragraph 7.
Yes.
Now, therefore, considering the failure of AS transportation, the petitioner, to furnish security deposit within a stipulated time in accordance with the stipulation as contained in the tender document, the instant contract is hereby summarily terminated with immediate effect. That's no problem. Besides debarring, this is my lord, debarring the AS transportation from participating in any future tenders for the corporation for a period of 2 years. This is one, my lord, imperial order. Second one, second line, any losses or damage arising out of the same and incurred by the corporation in handling and transportation of stocks at such and such due to such conduct of transportation will be recovered from the tender contractor without prejudice to any rights such and such. Paragraph 9, my lord. Differential cost pertaining to risk and cost of this contract shall be calculated for the period of such and such, my lord. My humble submission, my lord. This issue, my lord, has been settled by your lordships, by the Honorable Supreme Court time and again since 1975. Only one ground, my lord. Before issuing such order, before deferring any person, my lord, before blacklisting, you shall have to give a notice. Even if you have to give a notice, it doesn't contain the grounds also, my lord. Then also, my lord, this is a defective, my lord. Lordship is interferent time and again, my lord. I just want to give the latest judgment of the Honorable Apex Court, my lord. I've got another of this Honorable Court.
Mr. Singh just controlled the audio of that side.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I will take only.
One second. I'm saying control the audio. There's a lot of this background disturbance.
My lord, before that judgment, my lord, just have a look at this one pages, my lord.
Yes.
When I wrote to them those 2 letters for withdrawal, they write simply 2-3 lines, my lord, to me by email. It is hereby informed that your 15 working days are only up to 14/11/23. Failing to deposit the SD amount to rupees such and such will invite action in terms of clause such and such. This is what they reply, my lord. In all these 3 letters, my lord. Nothing else. No shock notice. Now, my lord, the judgment, my lord. Please come to paragraph, my lord, 13.
But risk and cost is well known if you, anyway.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
FCI,
This is settled law, my lord. Just still, my lord. For my satisfaction, my lord. Paragraph 13, my lord. Lordship has got it, my lord. Paragraph 13. At the outset, it must be noted that it is first principle of civilized jurisprudence that a person against whom any action is sought to be taken or whose right or interests are being affected should be given a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. The basic principle of natural justice is that before adjudication starts, the authority concerned should give to the affected party a notice of the case against him so that he can defend himself. Such notice should be adequate and the grounds necessitating action and penalty action proposed to be should be mentioned specifically and unambiguously. An order traveling beyond the bounds of notice is impermissible and without jurisdiction to that extent. The court in Nazir Ahmed such and such matter held that it is essential for
you wrote to the
my
FCI?
lord. Yes, my lord.
With the first, after you detected that defect.
Yes, my
Where's
lord.
that letter?
My lord. I've
Where's
written.
Where's the letter from here?
My lord, page number 19, 119.
No, the letter written to FCI. After you detected, you said you detected the mistake.
Yes,
that you had
yes.
made. Where the tender? Tender says, where the dates?
Yes. Tender date is, my lord, 7/8/23.
And where's the last date submission of bid?
28/8, my lord. Yes, after that submission tender, I have done it, my
When
lord.
did you go the letter after you detected? the
Yes,
mistake?
after,
when,
my
when
lord.
was it? When?
It was, my lord, it was rejected. First letter, my lord, I have given.
The first letter you sent to FCI. Okay.
FCI. Must have filed, kindly see first 115 page number. 115. 115, that's on 5/10/23, my lord. To Deputy Director, my lord, of Micro Small, because I'm registered under this.
No, you didn't to FCI. To FCI.
FCI was, my lord, that's in page number 119.
That's the first letter you wrote.
Yes.
119.
119 on 26 October. This is what the reason behind, some reason behind it. That's in page number 5, my lord. What happened? Paragraph 5, page 9. Please come to that. The answer is there, my lord. Paragraph 5, page 9, my lord.
49 you went first time.
Yes. The petitioner immediately after realizing the bona fide mistake of having quoted an unrealistic low price, approved the respondent office at Shillong on 4/9/23 and wished to submit a written application for withdrawal of its tender. The respondent's official, after detailed deliberations with the petitioner, examined the hard copy of the technical bid submitted by the petitioner and verbally informed.
You did not submit a separate application.
No, on that
you
day
never
submit.
submitted any application for drawing the tender.
No. I did not submit it.
Why?
Because, my lord, there in the tender, another document was there, my lord, defective tender, my lord, that was. So when I met.
They can overlook some technical lapses also.
That's true, my lord. But what has happened? It is because of that, my lord. When I realized there was very less time, 3 minutes, seconds time was left, my lord, to rectify. Yes, last day of submission of tender. Thus I couldn't rectify it, my lord.
No. What I'm saying is you went on 4th of September, you went to the FCI. Correct, Mr. Nath?
Yes.
Then on 4th of September, when they said that fine, it will be it's defective, whatever, you did not file a formal application for withdrawal of your tender.
No, on that day I did not file it, my lord.
Yes.
I did not file it. That's true, but that's a fact, my lord. That I cannot change it, my lord.
Yes.
I came it. My next letter is, my lord, page 115, because the deputy director is also written to the FCI, my lord, page 116, my lord. Kindly see the date, 16th of October 2023, page 116.
Yes.
To the general manager from, this is, kindly see, third paragraph, my lord. So it is to inform, this is to Sanjay Sharma, DGM, my lord, FCI, top, alias government.in, third paragraph. So it is to inform that this office had received a request from the MS Transportation at such and such under number, bearing that as per letter said MSME unit had participated in the bid invited by your esteemed organization.
Those are paid with FCI. Yes. Mr. Singh.
Yes, my lord, I may pay for the FCI, my lord. I will take your lordship to the 2 clauses only, my lord. My lord may come, first of all, to page number 37. Page 37, my lord, it's a clause of, clause 8L, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
Yes.
37. It's the clause L says it should be clearly understood by the tenderer that no opportunity shall be given to them to alter, modify, or withdraw any offer at any stage after submission of the tender.
Okay.
My lord, when the price bid was opened, the petitioner was found to be L1 bidder, and as such, we have given the letter of acceptance on 2010-2023, asking them to provide security deposit and bank guarantee. Since he has failed to provide security deposit and bank guarantee, so his contract was terminated as per clause 9F, my lord, that your lordship will find at page 47, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to page 47, my lord. This is a termination clause, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, from middle part, the contractor will also be debarred from participating in any future tenders of corporation for a period of 2 years. After the completion of prescribed period of 2 years, the party may be allowed to participate in the future tender of FCI, provided all the recoveries dues have been affected by the corporation and there is no dispute pending with the contractor. If the party fails to supply, my lord, the security deposit and bank guarantee, the FCI has the power under clause 9F to debar him, to terminate it, and for debarring him to participate in any tender of the FCI, my lord. Now, my lord, here the debarment and blacklisting is two different terminology, my lord. He has not been blacklisted. Blacklisted means he is blacklisted for all the tenders in India, my lord. They are debarred only to participate in the tender of the FCI, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, notice may be issued, my lord. We are given chance for filing our counter affidavit, my lord. And we have issued after the termination letter. We have on the next day we have issued a floated new tender, my lord, on 16/10/2023, my lord, 16/11, my
Has
lord.
been closed.
My lord.
That has been. Is it over? The process.
This tender is over, my lord. Now we have floated new tender, my lord. Since it has been terminated, my lord.
Process is it over or not? It's been
No,
completed.
it is not over. It is not over, and that tender has not been challenged in the before this case, my lord.
No, we're not going to
In
touch
this
the
case,
tender because his own mistake. Anyway, take down. Heard Mr. M. Leonard, senior counsel, assisted by so and so for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. B.R. Singh with so and so is present on behalf of all the respondents.
my lord, except one, my lord. One is Union of India.
On behalf of respondents 225.
226.
226. And MSS Rumthau Vice. Dr. M. Muzika. Yes. Dr. Muzika is present on behalf of respondent 1. So no further notice called for stop. You're seeking for interim order?
My lord, because similar matter, this honorable court has done that. In similar cases, interim order was passed, my lord.
No, well, this is not a case of for passing any interim order because that will not serve any.
Because my
it will not affect your new tender. Only that is like at least on the
only the participating and the cost, my lord. These two, my lord.
Yes,
anyway.
No, my lord. This is the tender clauses. These parties are bound by it, my lord.
No, my lord. Even
your lordship may dispose of this matter after vacation, my lord. Meanwhile, we will file our affidavit in opposition, my lord.
What? Mr. It has been submitted by the legal counsel for the petitioner, the counsel's petitioner, that the impugned order has been passed without affording the petitioner an opportunity of being heard. Stop. In this view, the matter of Mr. B.R. Singh, be heard. He praised that, as such, he praised that the impugned. Where's that, Mr. Nath? Annexure 6, no, annexure, sorry. Annexure? Order, impugned order?
Impugned order is last, page 1, my annexure 8, page 121.
As such, is prayed that the impugned order dated
15/11/23.
15/11/23, whereby the writ petitioner has been held liable to cover the risk and cost of cooperation in the future tender be stayed in the interim stop. Next para, Mr. B.R. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner, raised serious objections to the said prayer and prays that we be allowed to file an affidavit. And submits that the same is in view of the tender clause to which the petitioner has entered into. He further prays that we will allowed to file an affidavit at the earliest and that the matter be taken at the stage stop. Next paragraph. Having heard the counsel for the parties and considering the nature of the matter and in view of submissions made by the learned counsel for the respondent 226 that a fresh tender with regard to the same contract has since been floated has been floated without prejudice to the fresh tender that has been floated. The impugned order, as far as concerns the liability of risk and cost of the petitioner, shall and the debarment of 2 years in the interim shall be stayed until the next date. This is the matter after vacations for affidavit and for further orders.
Obliged, my
Daily list item number 1.
Obliged, my lord.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to the Lordship, he has some difficulty today, Lordship. So, if this matter can be taken up after vacation, Lordship.
No objection.
Lordship, they've already informed us.
Lordship, item 1 and 2 are
Senior counsel is not available. This is a matter after vacation.
Item number 3.
Lordship, similar prayer for item 3, Lordship.
Sorry, Mr. PM. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Item number 4.
Well, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
Number 4. Yes.
Number 4, my lord.
Yes.
Well, the matter relates to the transport subsidy and...
I've defined rejoinder.
My lord? Yes, sir, we have filed
rejoinder.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
I was praying, my lord, it may come after vacation. There's no
Let's come after vacation, Dr. Saraf. Yes, under prayer, Dr. N. Muzika, for some accommodation. This is a matter of vacations for the orders. Just noted that the rejoinder has since been filed. Yes.
5.
Yes, Mrs. Sen.
My lord, I appear for the statement.
What instructions?
My lord, pursuant to Lordship's order, my lord, 13 November, my lord, we have already taken instruction. However, my lord, our instruction is oral. We have not received in writing. We have been
What the oral
informed that-
instructions received?
My lord, the oral instruction is that, my lord, the remaining numbers of petitioner, they refuse to accept the, my lord, the compensation amount that has been offered to them. That is the ground due to
That is not true, Your
So we dismiss the petition now.
No, that is not true, Your Lordship.
They have
That is not true.
Why
because
you refuse to accept?
No, you know, because they have never come in offer, because
You told them not to
that is just an allegation, Lordship. Because we are ready to accept the amount if they agree.
This is reported by MSR Koni in instructions that the remaining writ petitioners have not been paid due to their non-acceptance of the same stop. The council is ready to put the same affidavit this within 2 weeks, yes. Just thereafter and so on. If that's correct, then...
No, that is not absolutely not correct, Lordship.
Pertaining to only the petition, there are other landowners
No,
also.
because
File an affidavit.
let them file it, I will reply to it.
Yes, you reply to it.
Lordship. The 6th affidavit, I have filed a rejoinder, Your Lordship, because they have filed the affidavit where this is their affidavit. I have replied, this is incorrect because my learned friend in para 10 he stated that on 2018 there was a joint inspection. However, as per the record, Your Lordship, there is this inspection was the preliminary inquiries was done only in the year of 2019. How can be a joint inspection prior to the preliminary notification, Your Lordship? That is on record, Your Lordship. He has filed a force and
I received rejoinder affidavit.
I've supplied.
Whom?
I have filed this affidavit in respect of. He has received, Lordship.
My state has not received the copy of the affidavit.
Because he is the person man who filed respondent number 6, Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr. Dipna first filed.
He senior counsel. Yes.
In his affidavit, page para 10, Lordship. I have replied to.
Where did he reply?
Lordship. My affidavit in para 4. Para 4.
What para 4? Yes.
Page 2 and 3. affidavit,
Where is
rejoinder,
the
rejoinder.
photographs when they were taken?
His affidavit, page 3, Lordship.
Who's the affidavit?
Respondent number 6.
No, where have you replied to the statement that he said that the construction was done after the
Yes,
acquisition?
yes.
Where in your rejoinder you've said, is that not true?
My rejoinder, Lordship. My rejoinder, page para 4. Para 4. I've given 1, 2, 3, 4. The point wise I have prepared. Para this sub number 4. Point number 4 of para 4 of point number 4.
Mr. Dharmat, you've seen this rejoinder?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See the page 8.
1 second. Let me see the.
Not this one. Number 6 one.
So you mean to say that inspection was not done in February 18? Where have you said that, Mr. Sama? Where have you said that no inspection was done in February 2018?
See,
where have you said that?
In his affidavit.
No, where have you said that? They have made a categorical statement that the inspection was done in February 2018.
Lordship.
And after notification had been issued, correct?
Lordship.
And then after notification was issued, you engage in construction so that the assessment will go high.
Lordship.
Correct.
Lordship.
And then that was found out in February 2022 when they did inside inspection. They saw that in March 2018 the situation is different, and then in February 2022 you made some buildings and all so that you get more compensation.
See,
when the Act says that once any land is notified, you're not to transact in it, you're not to build anything on it, you're not to do anything with it.
Lordship, that I admit. My reply is that
where the reply?
there was an inquiry was only in the year of 2019. May I just take my page 8 of my affidavit rejoinder, which I filed.
Then
the notification was issued only in the year of 2019. And even in his affidavit page, affidavit in opposition, page 9, annexure A, page 9, annexure A.
You see the rejoinder? We'll hear it. Yes, the rejoinder has been filed by the petitioner. This is a matter for hearing. Yes, after vacations.
Lordship.
You supply copy to the others also because
we have given to in the office
state. You made against the state response also that they were present.
Let them file.
No, you have to give copies of rejoinder. What let them file?
Yes, we have already submitted in the office.
To state.
Yes, to the state also. They can collect from the office.
Don't tell the court that collect office. Lordship. You want the court go collect from office?
No. I'm saying.
From decorum. Yeah, you're only fighting one case. Remember, you're living with them every day, with your brother counsels, your colleagues. If you adopt this aggressive attitude, what do you mean? Your fight is personal. Every case is personal.
No, Lordship, you have while
the court also taking every case as personal. It's a personal fight.
No,
it's a personal fight.
Because we have
all one family, and if we make a statement, let them go and collect it. What do you mean by that?
We'll do the needful.
What do you mean by that? Tell the court.
No, because they.
Is that a way to make a submission?
Actually, usually where we file, we just submit to the
don't
office.
say that. I'll give a direction. Let Mr. P.D. Sangma go and stand out there in the middle of the road to await the service of notice of someone else. Let him collect it from there. You're living in a family. Remember that. A case is just one case. Tomorrow you'll need their help. At time you see it, go and get it from there. If you need the help, you'll go and run with the petition or the affidavit. Correct? Make kind of submissions, court doesn't appreciate. I was a lawyer, I still consider myself a member of the bar. And if a member of the bar should disrespect to another member of the bar, that is not good at all.
Sir, Your Lordship.
Yes, apology accepted. Yes. Next.
7.
Yes, what's happened? It has been handed over.
No, Your Lordship. We're still waiting.
What's happened?
It's at the same stage, my lord.
Why? Why is the same stage?
If the matter could come up next week, my lord, I'll seek further clarification.
Already land has been identified
Lordship,
and it's in public interest.
my lord.
See the order is 14.9. Take down. Since 14/9/2023, when it was reported to the court, when the minutes of the meeting of joint inspection and identification of a plot of land was reported to the court, this court, by an order passed on that date itself, had recorded the relevant paragraphs with regard to the proceedings. Stop. It is noted that what remained was that the plot of land measuring 13,181 square feet was to be handed over after obtaining approval from the government. Stop. Next paragraph. It appears that since that date and further dates, no other instructions forthcoming as to the process. Stop. Let the senior court advocate apprise the court on 13 December as to the exact status. Yes. It's only for that approval. What is?
We just have this lordship that.
Yes.
Item number 8.
It's 9:13.
Much obliged, lordship. In item number 8, lordship, last opportunity was given to respondent number 8 and 9, lordship.
I'm taking appearance on behalf of 8, 9, and 14.
Very good.
Lordship,
so?
And also, lordship.
Lordship, we won't file affidavit.
You won't file?
We will rely on the private response.
Yes.
Lordship, also we have taken steps with regards to respondent number 14, lordship.
No, he's appearing for them. Mr. S. Kiriam today. Oh, sorry, you are? Sorry, El Narang. Today submits that he has another appearance on behalf of response 8, 9, and 14. He submits that no affidavit was coming from their side, and a license will be paid on the affidavit filed by the respondents 5 to 7, 10 to 13. On this matter for hearing after vacation.
Offline.
9.
Yes, Mr. Dev.
Please, lordship. Being led by Mr. Jindal. 711 filed by them.
Yes.
Yes, lordships, I am appearing for respondent number 3.
So, Lordships, I'll be arguing the application for your Lordships. So, Lordships, this is my application.
On what ground I think send a presentation?
Your Lordships, section 81(1) presentation.
On presentation and what else? Where's your miss case? Miss case. Miss case for you. Miss 11. Is it miss case 18?
क्या 18.
You filed a reply?
Please, and they have filed a reply.
Your Lordship's replication has also been filed in this.
Okay. Why is replication having over 200 and...
Your Lordships, because the certified copy of the election petition and the copy which was served on us, both the petitions have been filed as annexures with the replication.
Okay. How long will you take? So we're a bit pressed for time.
Your Lordships, at least.
We'll take it after vacations. Yes.
They were supposed to. In fact, last time your Lordships had suggested, my Lord, that they may be allowed to file a bullet points.
If you file bullet points, we can generate the judgment.
Lordship, may please, Your Lordship. If Lordship allows us to make oral submissions, if the petitioner wants to file bullet points, well and good. But there are certain aspects, especially...
We will have it after vacations. There seems to be no hurry in these matters. Yes. This is matter after vacations for hearing on the application for hearing Miss case number 18/2023. Immediately after vacations, yes.
Item number 10.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
You supply list of witnesses?
I'm filing today, Your Lordship.
List of witnesses?
Yeah, list of witnesses.
Yes, list of witnesses have been filed by the respondents.
Number 1.
So when do you want to be listed?
Let it come after vacation, Lordship. Because it will be for evidence, Lordship.
You want to bring witness on that day?
Lordship, after vacation.
After vacation? What date?
Any date, Lordship, which is convenient to your Lordship.
Okay, we'll fix the date first for the position.
Gotcha.
But then after that we'll fix the dates. At least we stagger them so the witnesses can be examined.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the list of witnesses has been submitted by the respondents. According to this matter on so and so date, wherein the schedule of examination will be prepared. Yes. Examination is prepared. Yes.
11.
Because if we prepare a schedule, we don't want them to take unnecessary adjournment. Only with due to, compelling circumstances. So with this so-and-so date, we'll finish off the
examination.
And you can file your affidavits if you want. By affidavit. Come.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Miller, in this, the state has filed its affidavit.
Rejoinder?
Rejoinder, Miller, the state mainly on technical grounds and law and all that. But only one aspect, Miller. By an earlier order dated 19th of May, there was a direction to the MECL also to file an affidavit because they had taken some stand and made whether they would be filing or not, because at that time, on the basis of their submission only, a direction was given to bring it on record.
I'm under the impression that the other RG matters, my lord, in those matters we have already filed our affidavit. So therefore, my lord, in this particular matter, state was directed only as well to file the affidavit.
No, because it's segregated, so you file an affidavit here also, same one.
Accordingly,
Mr. Echagoti submits that as the matter has since been segregated, an affidavit from the respondent corporation is necessary for proper adjudication. Stop. The submissions accepted. MS has accepted. Stop. MSR only places without 2 weeks time to file the affidavit. You have to file the same one here also.
Obliged.
12.
Please, Your Lordship. So 1, 2, and 3, my lord, we will file the affidavit in the course of the week.
What about
And
number
1 to 7?
1 to 7. What about 8?
8, my lord, someone had entered appearance last time.
Yes. Mr. SD for response 1 to 7 submits that the affidavit be filed in the course of the day. Stop.
Course of the week,
Yes,
my lord.
going to be 8.
1 week.
2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged.
13.
My lord, here we have filed our rejoinder affidavit. Let this matter be fixed for hearing, my lord.
Party submit appeals are complete. This is a matter for hearing the usual course.
Obliged.
14.
Lordship, I require some more time to file my rejoinder.
As prayed for a 2 weeks time allowed to the petition for rejoinder affidavit.
15.
My lord, here we will be filing our rejoinder affidavit, my lord. I pray 2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time as prayed for rejoinder allowed this.
Obliged.
16.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, we have taken steps by serving the notice to the respondent number 4. Service is awaited, Lordship.
Respondent number 4, I am entering. Oh. For the police? Yes, Mr. Kiv Rachaji has entered appearance to the respondent number 4, so no further notice required. What about objection to Miss Case? Who's supposed to file? Objection to Miss Case so and so.
Your Lordship, we were going on a different track all this while, so we have forgotten to give.
Yes.
And we will just check and then we'll file the objection if required.
MS Tiangi, the AG submits that please share out further time for objection to the Miss Case 188. Praise all this certification is for affidavit by respondent number 4 and for objection to the Miss Case by the still respondent.
Because petition doesn't lie also.
I'm deeply obliged, Your Honor.
17.
Yes, how much time?
My Lord, I'm appearing here on behalf of Ms. Zati Nongkindri, my Lord, and we are aware that we have paid a lot of time in this matter also. My Lord, what happened here is that we have been given parawise comment, but there has to be some clarification required from us, my Lord. We have been asking from a department, so we're still waiting for the clarification, my Lord. Lordship, may kindly give us another time, my Lord.
Please that without some more time for please allow further 2 weeks time to file affidavit as the instructions which I will receive are incomplete.
My Lord.
Please allow this after 2 weeks. Yes.
18.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray for some more time to file a rejoinder.
Why? How many times you prayed?
This is second time, Lordship.
Okay, as prayed for further 2 weeks time allowed for joiner.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please after and so on. So.
19.
Where's the additional affidavit?
Lordship, kindly grant us a big time to file the case, Lordship.
You are not filing it?
No, can you grant
Are you
us
filing it or not?
No, Your Lordship.
You won't file additional affidavit anymore?
I will file after a week time. Can you grant us a week time, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir. As prayed further 2 weeks time granted to file additional affidavit, which was allowed by order dated 22/11/23.
20.
This is Your Lordship. Lordship, we file the affidavit.
Your Lordship, I pray for rejoinder, Your Lordship.
I'll be filing my rejoinder.
Yes, the affidavits have been filed by the citrus point to which which the petitioner prays. Counsel petitioner prays about to file a joinder. Accordingly.
After vacation, Your Lordship.
21.
Yes, after vacations for rejoinder.
21, 22 also, Your Lordship, we filed the affidavit.
Your Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, I kindly pray if this matter can be taken up on the 11, Your Lordship.
Why? This one?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's the urgency?
It's a promotion matter, my Lord. Almost 2 years the posts have been vacant. However, we are yet to be considered, Your Lordship. Moreover, the petitioner in item number...
Come after vacation.
Is he retiring soon?
Next year, Your Lordship, he's retiring.
Next year when?
I'm not aware, but he's retiring next year, Your Lordship.
After the joinder first?
Lordship, Mr. Philemon Humphrey would be appearing on the 11, Your Lordship. He's on leave today, Your Lordship. Mr. Philemon
So we have to
Humphrey.
wait for him?
Lordship,
He'll come
on the 11.
after vacation, Your Lordship.
Take it up now.
On the 11, Your Lordship, I can't...
After vacation.
Without giving dates, yes.
Apply, Your Lordship.
23.
Lordship, in item number 23, Lordship, this is that matter pertaining to, like, Lordship, the service benefits with regards to the staff of Muda, Lordship. The respondents were supposed to file affidavit, Lordship.
We're still working through it, Your Lordship, so we'll be filing, Your Lordship.
What?
We're still working through it, Your Lordship.
You got on 11th?
No, Your Lordship.
Matter?
No, Your Lordship. Wait for some time, Your Lordship, to file
It's further 2 weeks' time granted to the response to file their respective affidavits.
24.
Much my lord. 24 is connected.
Hearing. Supplementary list, item number 3.
This matter can be taken up sometime, Lordship.
Only 1 o'clock. Where's Mr. Sen?
He's on his way, Lordship. He's coming, Lordship. End of the board, Lordship.
You already end of the board.
This supplementary list, Lordship.
Lordship, may have it tomorrow then in that case.
Tomorrow the court not be available. Friday then.
Friday.
On Friday is a fixed matter. Top of the list.
In the meantime, the interim order continue, Lordship.
You're enjoying it.
We don't know.
You were 2
Till
days
December, this should
be on record. That will be on record.
Yes, this Mr. Sen, due to unavailability of Mr. Sen, this matter on 8th Friday, top of the list. Yes. Interim order shall carry till that date.
27.
Lordship, it's a joint prayer for accommodation.
This is for hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and the request of the party this matter after vacation.
Deeply obliged.
30.
After vacations, where's Mr. Sen? You already adjourned, Mr. Sen. Loretto. It's already adjourned. You've come to the other matter fixed on the 8th. We'll take it up. They pour me. The other matter, the Advocate General's appearance, or day after tomorrow.
8th, madam.
You know, day por me means in Penal language.
Lordship.
You have no problems?
No, I have no problems. The only thing I am saying, but anyway, Lordship, let it come up on the 8th. Because otherwise also I will, there are holidays and all. Whatever it may be, we will make our submissions.
Yes.
But the judgment, I don't think your Lordship will be able to.
Why do you say that? We'll pass an open court. Yes. You ask what from MS Shalam what day por me means.
30.
Yes. Time has come, yes.
30.
30? I'm only adjourned, yes. Where person is gone.
33.
Yes.
My Lord, Armstrong same matter, the collector matter. Here we are supposed to file the paper book. My Lord, we have already applied for the copies from the registry. So it is ready, my Lord. So
it's ready?
My lord, yes. We have been informed by
The
the...
paperwork ready?
No, my lord, the copies are ready from the registry, so we'll be able to
MS
file
only
within a
submits
unification.
that some more time is required to prepare the paperwork. This is matter after preparation of said paperwork.
My lord, 33 to 39, my lord. State is an appellant in 33, my lord. From 34 to 39, we are respondents.
You have to file a paperwork.
And for the petitioner, Your Lordship. And for the petitioner of
They are to
item
file,
Appellant,
they
appellant.
are to file the paperwork
Yes,
in.
so you have to please parties to prepare. So this is matter of preparation of paperwork by
Your
respective
Lordship,
parties.
as per my senior instruction, if this matter come 1 day before the winter vacation.
My lord, paperwork will not be ready. It will be very
Why
bulky.
1 day before winter vacation?
It's as per
You
the
must have some pocket money for Christmas.
It's as per the instruction, Your Lordship.
My lord, after winter vacation, my lord.
After vacation. You won't be ready, the paperwork
It
will
won't
be
be
ready.
ready, my lord. It will be very voluminous, my lord.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.